Hi, you can call me Summer, your self-confessed Maktakaw and Kalad Karen. I'll bring you into my adventures and misadventures, whether it's a place or a plate. Learn from me and with me. Tara na, mag-explore at kumain. Today's food trip is close to my heart and my stomach. I'm taking you to Bacolod Chicken House Express. Bago pa man ito mag-viral, suki na ako dito. Over 20 years na. Kaya masasabi ko, legit ang sarap. Lalo na ang picho. Juicy, smoky, at laging panalo. Kaya kung hanap mo ang lutong uleng na lasang probinsya, ito na yon. So kung hindi mo pa nasa-try, this is your sign.